But this one's ready to go. Got the battery charging up. Getting ready to crank it off and roll it out. So I want to say thank you to all 30 to 70 of you that constantly come back and support, watch the videos. I appreciate it so much.
Oh, so you don't have anything connected there? Yes.
That's your fans.
That's the fence. That's the fence. I forgot. You had something.
Crank it. Ooh. Ooh. That KA, boy. That KA. Yeah. Oh, man. All right, let me move my truck.
He's running.
Brakes. Kevin, we missed the whole thing.
Take it out, we'll redo it. It's okay, we know how to do it now.
You can't get out? Oh. Oh, man. Yeah, but I think you should just follow us through his house.
So this is what you put in.
Yeah, it goes great in reverse. I'm not even great in reverse.
Okay, so this one's probably making closer to the fans and shit?
Probably.
Think so? Yeah.
Well, it's not DOT registered, is it?
What's the weight on that? Enough? Enough to not worry about it?
Come over. Yeah. Come on.
Oh, shit. The official. Yep, that ain't going nowhere.
We put the parking brakes on, and I think we like wedged some wood in the wheel. We're like,
That's good.
Cindy, we're only going like 30 minutes.
What are you talking about? Full size backup?
Sorry. Big bitch. It's got the whole back. It's got the whole
The
front.
half-yard cum bucket or whatever.
Yeah.
It is.
Oh yeah, big bitch. We had the one that articulated, so you can open the bucket. So you can yeah, those are big, big.
She on there.
Yes.
How'd the brakes feel?
That was a while ago.
We're back in
doing the launch.
They grab a little bit lower than the 510 or the 2 door.